how to boost FPS in Roblox on iOS. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to boost the FPS or the frames per second in your Roblox app on your iOS. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up a Roblox app and then choose any game that you want to play. It doesn't matter which one. So just once you're in, just tap on the Roblox icon at the top left corner to access the settings. Scroll down to find the graphics mode. So if it is set to automatic, we need to switch it to manual. This is important. If the graphic quality is too high, it can decrease your FPS and then cause lag. So change it to manual, and you can see the graphic quality. If it is on to very high, then just tap on the minus icon and then set it to the lowest. So after that, go to your settings, go to accessibility and make a couple adjustments. Go to motion and then toggle on the reduce motion option. This will help you process the frames more quickly. Then come back, go to display and text size and then toggle on increase contrast. Scroll down and then toggle on classic invert. So this will help you make the FPS better, and then you can also go to color filters and toggle it on. This will help you enjoy a smoother gaming experience by changing the colors. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.